Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today on Sunday, yes, it's weekend. And on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, July the 9th, 2022. I've 3 puzzles left, the 2 stars and 2 tectonics. 1 with 4 stars and 1 with a 1 star. All right, let me start. Let me start with this first. Yeah, this one. Let me start with this one. Fiberblock in Dutch, but in English it's a tectonic. Tectonic with 4 stars. Number 4829. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, but for 4 stars, indication 30 minutes or more. We will see if it's really a 4 stars. I don't think so, because 4 stars puzzles has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Should be an easy one. We will see. Okay, let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, there, single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. I cannot see any dual box. I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 1. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember the inside box, this box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay, triple box, more triple boxes here. No, only 1 triple box. Quadra boxes, then I see here a quadra box. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember the inside box is always a 5. This is the inside box. Okay, here also a quadra box with the L shape. In the L shape, inside box is always a 5. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay, more quadra boxes. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, we see here this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yes, so this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. All right. More of these kind of shapes. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More. No, only 2. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Only 1. Yes, only 1 we have. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. More of this kind of shape here. The same, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 4 and the 5. But we already have a 4 here, so it can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 3. There are more, maximum are 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then it's easy. The following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes in this area are left for the numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2, can it be a 2? So 1 box left for the 2, should be there. Then these 2 boxes in this quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 3 there, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And then let me see, these 3 boxes surround the 5, can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. That box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me, but let me see. I cannot place the 4 here. If I place the 4 here, that means that these 3 boxes can be a 4. And that box can be a 4. And I need a 4 in one of those 4 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 4 there. The 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes, we have a 4. That means that these 2 boxes can't be a 4 anymore. The 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. That means that this box can't be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So this box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So here can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I'm thinking. 2. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Can it be 1? Missing the 3. 1, 4. Can it be a 4? 4, 4. Yeah, I'm figuring. This box can be, well, this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, but also cannot be a 5. It's in the same area, so 1 digit left should be the 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and the 3. Here we have the pair 1 and a 3. Okay, so this box cannot be 1 or a 3 because we have a double 1 here, double 3 there. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 5. Alright, then here should be a 3 and a 1. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 1 again. Okay. 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be a 2? We have a double 2 there. Can it be a 3 because we have a double 3 there? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4 here. Okay. No 2 here. 2, 2, 2. Means that this can be 2. 2, 2. Alright. 4, 3. I'm thinking. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, can be a 3 because it's in the same area, can be a 4, can be 5. So 1 digit left should be the 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Alright. Here 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. This box can be a 2, this box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and a 2. But we already have a 2 there, so it can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And I've eliminated, I've marked this box with 1 and a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. A 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Yeah. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, this box can be a 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Well, we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 5. That box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 1. 2 and the 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then. Well, 3 and a 1. 2. Need a 2. Yeah. 4 and a 5. 2, 4, 5, 3, and we have a 2 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this cross area for number 3. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4, so this box can't be 4 anymore. We have a 4 here. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and that box should be a 5. 3 and a 1. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And the final number in this area for number 3. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 4 stars. Can be a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. The 2 stars Sudoku and the Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.